किसान खेत में काम करता है। The farmer works in the field. The farmer grows crops. यह मेरा खेत है। This is my field. The field is green. फसल तैयार है। The crop is ready. The crop looks healthy. किसान हल चलाता है। The farmer uses a plow. He plows the field. ट्रैक्टर तेज है। The tractor is fast. The tractor works well. बीज बो। Sow the seeds. Sow good seeds. मिट्टी उपजाऊ है। The soil is fertile. The soil is soft. पौधों को पानी दो। Water the plants. Water them daily. सिंचाई जरूरी है। Irrigation is important. Irrigation helps crops. किसान फसल काटता है। The farmer harvests the crop. Harvest the wheat. खाद डालो। Add fertilizer. Use organic fertilizer. कीटनाशक छिड़को। Spray pesticide. Spray it carefully. दरांती तेज है। The sickle is sharp. Use the sickle carefully. अनाज भंडार भरा है। The barn is full. Store the grain. पशुधन उपयोगी है। Cattle are useful. Cattle help farmers. गाय दूध देती है। The cow gives milk. The cow is healthy. भैंस खेत के पास है। The buffalo is near the field. The buffalo is strong. कृषि भूमि बड़ी है। The farmland is large. The farmland is fertile. बारिश हो रही है। It is raining. Rain helps crops. सूरज निकल आया। The sun has come out. The sun is किसान मंडी गया। The farmer went to the market. He sold vegetables. उपज अच्छी है। The produce is good. The produce is fresh. किसान मेहनती है। The farmer is hardworking. He works every day. गेहूं उगाओ। Grow wheat. Wheat grows well here. खेत हरा भरा है। The field is green. The field looks beautiful. धान बोओ। Sow rice. Rice grows well. गेहूं काटो। Harvest wheat. Harvest it today. गन्ना उगाओ। Grow sugarcane. Sugarcane is sweet. मक्का बोओ। Plant corn. Corn grows fast. कपास उगाओ। Grow cotton. Cotton is soft. खेत जोतो। Plow the field. Plow it well. बीज खरीदो। Buy seeds. Buy quality seeds. पौधे लगाओ। Plant saplings. Plant them carefully. फसल बचाओ। Save the crop. Protect the crop. खेत साफ करो। Clean the field. Clean it today. घास काटो। Cut the grass. Cut it neatly. खरपतवार हटाओ। Remove weeds. Remove them quickly. पौधों की देखभाल करो। Take care of the plants. Care for them daily. पानी बचाओ। Save water. Water is precious. सिंचाई करो। Do irrigation. Irrigate the field. जैविक खाद उपयोग करो। Use organic fertilizer. It is good. कीटनाशक छिड़को। Spray pesticide. Spray carefully. फसल हरी है। The crop is green. It looks healthy. खेत बड़ा है। The field is large. It is beautiful. किसान खुश है। The farmer is happy. He smiles. बारिश शुरू हुई। It started raining. The crops need rain. तेज धूप है। The sun is bright. It is hot. मौसम अच्छा है। The weather is good. Perfect for farming. बैल खेत में हैं। The oxen are in the field. They work hard. गाय घास खा रही है। The cow is eating grass. It is healthy. भैंस पानी में है। The buffalo is in the water. It looks happy. किसान सुबह उठता है। The farmer wakes up early. He starts work early. किसान मेहनत करता है। The farmer works hard. Hard work pays off. सब्जियां उगाओ। Grow vegetables. Grow fresh vegetables. फल उगाओ। Grow fruits. Fruits are healthy. पेड़ लगाओ। Plant trees. Trees give shade. खेत में जाओ। Go to the field. Go early. ट्रैक्टर चलाओ। Drive the tractor. Drive carefully. हल उठाओ। Lift the plow. Lift it slowly. बीज बो दिए। The seeds are sown. Now फसल बढ़ रही है। The crop is growing. It looks good. खेत सूखा है। The field is dry. It needs water. खेत गीला है। The field is wet. Rain helped. किसान मुस्कुरा रहा है। The farmer is smiling. He is happy. मंडी जाओ। Go to the market. Sell the crops. सब्जियां बेचो। Sell vegetables. Sell them fresh. फल बेचो। Sell fruits. People buy them. दूध बेचो। Sell milk. Milk is fresh. अच्छी कमाई हुई। Good income was earned. The harvest was good. अनाज रखो। Store the grain. Store it safely. बोरी भरो। Fill the sack. Fill it completely. खेत देखो। Look at the field. It is green. पौधे बड़े हो गए। The plants have grown. They are healthy. किसान थक गया. The farmer is tired. He worked all day. खेत सुंदर है. The field is beautiful. It is clean. फसल पक गई. The crop is ripe. Harvest it now. कटाई शुरू करो. Start harvesting. Harvest carefully. ट्रॉली भर दो. Fill the trolley. Load the crops. खेत उपजाऊ है. The field is fertile. It gives good crops. किसान ईमानदार है. The farmer is honest. Everyone respects it. मिट्टी अच्छी है. The soil is good. Plants grow well. खेत में काम करो. Work in the field. Work carefully. पौधे हरे हैं. The plants are green. They look fresh. ताज़ी सब्जियां लाओ. Bring fresh vegetables. Bring them today. फल मीठे हैं. The fruits are sweet. They taste good. किसान सीख रहा है. The farmer is learning. He learns new methods. नई तकनीक अपनाओ. Use new technology. It saves time. पानी की बचत करो. Save water. Every drop counts. खेत की रक्षा करो. Protect the field. Protect the crop. पौधों को खाद दो. Give fertilizer to the plants. They grow faster. किसान सफल है. The farmer is successful. His harvest is good. अच्छी फसल मिली. We got a good harvest. Everyone is happy. गांव सुंदर है. The village is beautiful. It has green fields. खेत जीवन है. The field is life. It feeds us. किसान देश की शान है. The farmer is the pride of the nation. Respect farmers. अन्न बचाओ. Save food grains. Do not waste food. किसान का सम्मान करो. Respect the farmer. Farmers feed us. खेती महत्वपूर्ण है. Farming is important. It supports life. जय किसान. Hail the farmer. Farmers are our hero.